Pests can be a real pain in the garden, and mammal pests can be a problem with flowering bulbs. Voles are one that dig in the soil and are vegetarians and like to feed on roots and bulbs. Voles can be confused with moles, but know that moles are tunneling to find insects to feed on. They aren't eating the roots the way the voles are. If you have a problem with voles, you might consider using a repellent. The drawback of repellents are that they wear off over time and will need to be reapplied, especially if we have a rain event. You can also incorporate coarse particles in the soil when you're planting bulbs to keep the voles from digging there. Things like gravel or other products designed to prevent moles from digging will keep them from entering that area. Some folks also put a hardware cloth cage around their bulbs to prevent digging. A hardware cloth cage can interfere with root growth of shrubs and trees, so just be aware of what else is growing in the area if you choose this method. If you want to go with a chemical method or trap your voles, you should contact your local extension office for advice on this method. The other mammal that are often a problem with bulbs are deer. In the springtime, there's not a ton out there for deer to eat, and when your bulb foliage starts to come up, it can look like a tasty snack to deer. There are some bulb varieties out there that are not as attractive to deer, so make sure you do your homework and pick one of those if deer are a problem in your yard. Good luck. I hope you enjoy your flowering bulbs in the spring.